Hey, I'm Crashy FPV. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, we're gonna go. I'm gonna go fly this guy, and this is my Grinderino. Has TPU on it like crazy, and yeah, you can. I don't know why I keep looking there. You can watch my crap piloting, but here's the deal. I might be a crap pilot, but I have more fun than you. Okay, maybe I don't actually have more fun than you, but like, I have a lot of fun. Oh, I'm looking over here again. You look there. I have a lot of fun.